Hello, I'm Nancy from Snowy the Corella's channel. My pet bird Snowy knows how to eat the Japanese or Korean seaweed wafer, and he's eating it for the first time when he saw me munching, and I offered to him and he quickly grabbed it, and now he's enjoying it. You can hear him crunch, crunch, crunch. It's a seaweed, roasted seaweed that you use for sashimi, rolls and all that. I just bought a big packet and a big sheet and I cut them up and I put it in a little container like this, and I can have it as a snack or to put it on top of soups. It's like that, green in color. Snowy likes it so much. Yeah. So you have a good day. Bye. Snowy, say bye. Snowy, good boy, huh? Mommy pet, okay? Pet. Hey, good boy. Mommy pet. Good boy. Okay, bye-bye. No, hello. Say hello to you anyway. Okay, bye. He's happy. Happy bird. Bye everyone. Have a happy new year and Kong Hee Fat Choi coming soon at the end of this month, 31st of January, and it goes on for 15 days celebration. Thank you. Bye.